Welcome back. In the last video, we talked about what AI is in plain English. Well, today we're going to do something a bit more practical. We're going to look at ChatGPT on our phone and use it for the first time. I will show you what I'm doing as I go, and you can follow along if you like. Let's start on the phone. First, I want to show you something important. On an iPhone, go to the App Store. We're going to search for ChatGPT. You're going to see a lot of apps recommend GPT and they have a similar logo, but the one you're looking for is the official app by OpenAI, and it's got hundreds of thousands of likes and comments and stars and things like that. And that's the one that you need to install. It's the same on the Play Store. The Google Play Store looks like this. If you've already got it installed, that's great. If not, pause the video, install it and come back. I have dropped a link in the description to Digital Trends, which can take you through step by step if you're unsure. Now let's open the app. When ChatGPT opens, you'll see a simple screen with an input box at the bottom. That box is where you type or speak. Let's start with something very ordinary. Write me a shopping list for a Sunday lunch. Now look, you see, it's actually put Yorkshire puddings because it knows over time that A, I'm English, and B, I'm actually from Yorkshire. So if we were to ask it again and say an American Sunday lunch, let's see what it says. Russet potatoes, is that right? Notice no Yorkshire puddings, although as a Yorkshireman, I would advise you to try Yorkshire puddings. They're brilliant and very easy to make. So I've had to change camera and microphone for this next bit because did you know that you can actually hold a conversation with ChatGPT? Let's give it a try. Hey GPT, how are you doing today?
Hey Andy, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing well too.
So I am recording a YouTube video and I'm just explaining and showing the viewers that you can actually talk with you. So say hello.
Absolutely. Hello there to everyone watching on YouTube. It's pretty cool that Andy's giving you a little behind the scenes look and chatting with me. Feel free to enjoy the conversation.
So let's you and I talk just a little bit.
Sure.
Now, I'm going to be telling my viewers here that you can actually interrupt him if he goes on a bit too long, because sometimes you do go on a bit too long, don't you, GPT?
Haha, fair point. Yep, I can definitely rein it in if I start rambling. So feel free to jump in anytime, Andy, and I'll happily keep things short and sweet.
Okay, so just for the sake of this video and to finish it off, just tell me a dad joke.
Absolutely. Let's wrap it up with a classic. All right, here we go. Why did the Scarecrow win an award?
No,
Because he was outstanding in his field. So there you go. Hope that brings a little smile to your viewers, and thanks for having me on your video.
that really was a dad joke, GPT.
It definitely was. Sometime.
See you later, mate.
See you later, Andy. It was fun chatting. Take care and have a great rest of your recording.
And that's how easy it is. So sometimes when you just want to chat to somebody, you can. Or if you want to not be bothered typing, but you want to have a conversation, you actually can. Now, sometimes it won't work. Sometimes it'll say, sorry, I'm having a problem or something like that. That's okay. That happens to me once or twice a week. It happened earlier today, actually. So just come back a little bit later and it'll be fine. It might be that you've got a bad signal where you are if you're not on Wi-Fi, or it might be something at their end. Anyway, you can see that it listens, thinks for a moment, and then replies. It's not instant at the moment. I'm sure it'll get faster over time. You don't need to speak carefully or use special words. Just talk and write as you would normally. Try and keep your instructions clear. Sometimes tell it to be concise, or it can ramble on and write a volume instead of a short reply. You don't need to spell perfectly. It can work all that out. So that's enough for this video, because I will release a video approximately once a week. And in the meantime, please practice using ChatGPT. Ask it things, talk to it, and let me know in the comments how you got on. And in the next video, I'll show you some very useful tips on getting more from ChatGPT. So please subscribe, like, and share, as it helps YouTube find more people that need this kind of help. See you in the next video. Take care.